Hello, and welcome to our introduction to PersonnelTracker.net, our web-based personnel management solution. In this demonstration, we'll learn how different users can leverage PersonnelTracker.net in the course of their work. PersonnelTracker.net presents a user interface based on the user's role in the organization. General users have access to a searchable employee directory, a company calendar, and leave request functions. Managers have tools for managing leave requests and can also view employee files. However, private employee data, such as salary information, can only be viewed by personnel with a designated HR role. For executives, PersonnelTracker.net helps generate resource reports, including headcounts, allocations by cost center, and more. Let's get started. This is the Tracker desktop of a general user. As you can see, as a general user, PersonnelTracker.net gives me access to information and tools I use every day, including an organizational calendar that includes company holidays. From the desktop, I can run a super search for someone's phone number. PersonnelTracker.net also offers a comprehensive online catalog of all our employees. I can export this entire phone list into a spreadsheet if I need to. As well as simplifying communication with the contact directory and company calendar, the desktop also makes it easy to file leave requests. From the request form, I can easily check how much leave I still have available. It looks like I have a few days to spare, so I'll put in the request. This will be delivered to my manager for approval via email. Now let's step into a manager's role. We'll start from the email that I'll receive for that vacation request that I just put in as a general user. As a manager, I can quickly review the company calendar and the employee's available leave right from the email. I can also approve the request simply by clicking a link. I never have to leave my email client to access TrackerSuite.net. As a manager, you can see in the menu on the left I have more access to PersonnelTracker.net than the general user. I can click Vacation Requests for a view of all leave requests in PersonnelTracker.net and their status. As a manager, I can also create a leave request for someone else. For example, if one of my employees is sick and requires leave, I can file the request and approve it for them. When a vacation is approved, the resource availability pool is updated accordingly. As you can see, the vacation request that I approved for Ernie employee has been calculated into the resource availability view. As a manager, I can view an employee's file, which contains information not only about their place in the organization, but also their roles in TrackerSuite.net, their leave information, skills, the way they interact with TrackerSuite.net applications, and attachments, such as resumes and performance reviews. However, only users with a designated HR role can access private information, such as the employee's salary. Our final role is that of an executive. In this position, my concerns include vacation accrual and usage, headcounts, and how resources are being utilized. With PersonnelTracker.net, I can quickly review employee leave information, including time spent and remaining. From this view, I can also audit a resource's leave history. TrackerSuite.net also offers headcounts and allocation reports to give me a top-down view of all my resources. If I want a mile-high view of my organization, I can pull up a headcount report. If I want more information about how my resources are being utilized, I can pull up this allocation by cost center report. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. We discussed how different users experience PersonnelTracker.net. For general users, it simplifies internal communication and leave requests. For managers, it automates typical HR routines and provides a central online employee database. For executives, PersonnelTracker.net facilitates resource reporting, providing support for decision makers in how resources are allocated and utilized. Please contact us today to learn more about what PersonnelTracker.net can offer your organization. You can also register for immediate access to a free demo and have a hands-on evaluation of PersonnelTracker.net today.